long division man. Long division the first and a long division. So remember mobile field effect x minus a is a factor of f of x and
f of x
and then x minus b is a factor of
g of x.
Yes. So how would you know something is a factor of something else? Means I not remain then yeah.
Sure.
Mustn't have a remainder. So
Remainder is 0.
remainder is 0. So can you rearrange this thing? Rearrange it. Bring in this form 2x squared minus bx plus b. Answer?
Sure.
And then moving we solve the computerogram.
On say x squared plus xa.
X squared plus xa
minus b.
Must we solve it?
Okay, bona.
Simple.
Yeah, I know I'm not
Yeah. Minus b. Now the equation is a2 and so remember, mind you, a factor. A factor yeah. Get.
So give factor a2, give factor f of x, left factor g of x.
Yes. So remember, if something is a factor means and then more there is no need for long division. Just no worry. X minus
wait, quadratic a f of x. But the b and then the quadratic a f of x. Because a over x is plus 2a, and then y quadratic a over b. Because a are specific numbers.
Are not specific number ya b and
yeah. Leon, are a specific number I think.
Yes. So Robert is the variable. Rospan is the variable.
Sure.
And then again to more Rospan is because most ones say
x is equals to a. And then you can take two x's.
And then as they said that we have to prove that d minus 1 is equals to 4a squared.
A squared.
And then this thing is equals to 0. Actually, it's equals to x squared plus ax minus b. Why so I must point here and get why so and get.
So bracket setting is but if I am at home, I want to get factor. And then take it and continue equals to the same thing as today.
Yeah.
Bracket setting to get in you. I am at home, I want to get it.
Remember, quadratic. Quadratic function. So quadratic function so answer the factor a2 and get.
Sure.
And then this time it's factor a1.
Oh, go try on and then you on your going to take the gamma bracketing the gamma bracket each one. So already now x minus a. So like I equal determinantly x minus b or plus b, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, x plus b.
One to and get.
Sure.
So this thing translate equals to each other. And then remember, yes. And then remember more. We don't know hore ke plus a, so we maybe plus y. And then we are supposed to solve for this y. One to and get.
Sure.
Yes, so, yeah, you can use any variable. You can use any variable. Which variable do you choose? Any variable.
What b and I sharp? That's a sharp b. Because
Ketchabiti on a B, but let's use you on a B. But Ketchabiti on, I don't want to use B. I think I'm going to Spanish B for this time. For this time, yeah, because you're in every one. And then I resolve this side on Potoro, resolve on Potorogram.
I resolve x minus a. x squared plus xy minus ax minus xy
X squared minus
plus xy plus xy
plus xy
minus ax
minus
minus
ax
minus ay
minus ay. And then remember this time rinyaga y and
sure.
and then we don't have the other one. So remember this side finally
X squared plus ax minus b.
plus ax minus and then the squared is area cancel out. This 2 squared. Yes, here. And then this thing here.
Lo na cancel under a. You about 2
This thing here. Why wanna this thing? Why wanna a
sure.
is the same as b. I need to run kalanyana.
Where be as below.
Yes, get into one like b is like this thing. Remember this thing you're removing is the same as a left. Like the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. I don't know what I understand. This thing here, C A. This C is the same as minus B. Into one. Into one. So A renga replace ka B.
Ka b.
Yes. So we can
Okay.
eventually say B is equals to
Let b let ay b b.
yeah BB because eventually it's yes. So and then we can say therefore y is equals to B over A. One swara musanja.
Oh, if b is equal to ay, then y is equal to b over a. So actually, more xy. Okay, x squared plus xy. More xy a. Or over y over b over a.
B over A. So mo na leng y mo.
And why over b over a?
Y eba B over E because re divide ka A both sides. A itse ra ntshwarana. So ko parteng e we're going to divide ka A.
Or why I the subject of the formula.
Y the subject of the formula. Then is equals to A1.
Yeah.
And get
B is equal to ay.
and then next one so re equate half. Next one so re equate half A. Le. Next one so re
ax plus xy.
yeah AX negative A
Negative a
plus xy is equals to ax. Consider equated 2. And then rotea ax a right jump is right seven kilometer. Yaba
so the opposite
xy
xy equals to ax.
2 ax. And then divide ka x both sides. And then xaa cancel xaa. Xaa and cancel xaa.
Y is equal to a.
Therefore y is
Equals
equals to
to
2a. And then again more we already know what our y is equals to 2a again.
sure.
So we can substitute our y kamo rakram b is equals to
B is equals to 2a. I'm going over 2a squared.
2a squared. B is equals to 2a squared.
Sure.
And then preferi this part. Yeah, we read the other part. The other part ke equation. Yeah, yeah, bona lo ke 5 marks. Question.
Get the reply.
Roberisa no so Roberikisa. Remember what field effect and Roberikisa the same method. X minus b, and then the other factor, which is x plus y. And can you go solve it?
Sure.
Can you go solve? Okay, if I win, no solve. Well, we nada.
Ja, het is bila. Mais comment faire un placé?
Plus b.
Plus b.
Okay, I win.
Yeah, this is all one do. So, so on big time okay, we place at B. Because that big is which is going to be you can place at B, but that's a mo B A about this question B. Negative X and we are going to get this question B. Mara you teach the whole procedure one B.
Yeah, you say.
Like the more wide long, huh? I don't get to wide.
Aras covering Sawai. Aras covering Sawai this time. Aras covering Sawai. Let us use K. This time we're going to K. Kabo no regular nengaro jampela guti. Jampela guti. Let us use K.
Okay. So, mu x squared plus xk minus bx minus bt.
Minus bx.
X squared minus bx plus sk.
Or plus xk, which is kx.
Yeah, minus bk.
Kx. Minus bk.
Bk.
Equals to that, and then equals to this thing.
Yeah.
And then ongai we quickly this one guy, and then
Sure.
and put down
Because
this thing will be this thing.
negative dx.
Okay, it's a negative d x is equals to
Negative bx plus cx.
negative dx plus 3x. And then we run.
And then after that, for negative equal negative dx plus dx. I'm gonna divide the one.
divide by x. Yeah, divide by x all over. Then wasalaga negative
b
equals to
negative b plus k.
plus k, right?
Kx.
Okay, reggae small, step is this one as sanya so divide by x all over, yeah.
Sure.
Divide by x. Then the x to then disappear. Rasalaga.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, confirm. Then positive. Over negative plus k.
Plus k. And then mind you, we are solving for k. We can eventually just make k the subject from therefore k are na yobang.
Therefore, you make a k the subject over negative b plus b.
Yeah, which is you can say b minus d and get
b minus d.
B minus d. Equation 1 here. So
that's our equation 1.
This is our equation 1. We can let's go to the other side. The other side here, b is equals to negative bk. Yeah. B is equals to negative
bk. K from the other side.
I was asking you about A. B is equals to negative bk.
Oh, yeah, you're right. B is equals to negative bk, yeah.
Divide
by
A. Divide B.
Therefore, that means 1 is equals to k, negative k.
Therefore, k is equals to negative 1. And yeah.
Sure, because k must be positive.
K is equals to negative 1. So we can eventually take negative 1. More than k equal to that's negative 1. So you have negative 1 is equals to
minus b.
This two next one's or 8. Are you with me? More this part, more. Yeah, next one's or the other factor equals to plus k.
Oh, yes. One
Yes.
So, more x minus b.
Which means lemo over 2. And then lemo over 2. Lemo over 2. Which means 2bx. 2bx.
Negative 2ax.
And then remember more over 2bx and get more over 2bx more.
Sure.
And then divide that 2 both sides. And then come remember it's over 2. Yeah, you change b arena over b is equals to d minus 1 over 2. B arena over d minus 1 over 2. And then therefore monaling b rots inside b minus 1 over 2. Then it's over 1, then cross multiply. This one multiplies this one multiplies that one. Then d minus 1 is equals to 4a squared. 4a squared. Ke mistake wa rena na ile dai 2a le ke yona ne irang di-floor.
So actually, mistake wa rena o affected this 2 more.
Yeah.
So over 2bx over x. A equals to minus B. Yo, tshitshile dilo tse dintšhi di
o ska wa re go e posta video e go e posta